Today I share with you bulgur and curry shrimp from Spring Garden 1 Kitchen. Here we have our raw shrimp, and right now we're about to start preparing our shrimp to curry. As you can see, I have right here some bulgur and shrimp that I already put in my pot with some curry. I burned my curry with oil and curry. Now this is a picture of what I already done: curried shrimp with bulgur, and this is what the finishing product look like. As you can see, guys, curry shrimp with bulgur prepared for you. You know, it's Spring Garden 1, and this is what I have to present to you today: curry shrimp with bulgur. I prepare it for you so you will have an idea how you can do it if you're interested in doing it too. So I get a pound of shrimp and I wash them, and after I wash them I season them with all-purpose seasoning, paprika. I also put some cinnamon on it, and I prepare it in my pot. Also, I have some bulgur that I already cooked. This is what it looks like after I finish cooking, and this is the finishing presentation that I'm presenting to you at this time. As you can see, we already done our cooking and presenting the finishing product to you guys. Hope you'll enjoy, hope you like, share, comments, leave your opinion about what you have seen so far in the video, and let me know. This is your guy, Spring Garden 1. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for being here with me.